All right, so here we have another calculator problem where the calculator is useless. There are barely any numbers in this problem. So we're given the graph of f prime. We're asked some statements about f. Okay, so this is f prime. So this is essentially an f prime sign chart, right? So here's what I know. I know here, so this is -3, right? And this is at 2. Okay, I know that f prime is 0 at -3 and 2. I can see that f prime is below the axis before -3, so negative, then above the axis between the two, and then negative again. What that tells me is that what f is doing is going down, up, and down again. So there's a min at -3 and a max at 2. So f has a relative minimum at -3. 1 is true. Once I know 1 is true, I can cross off 2 only. I can cross off 3 only. Right? Now I just need to figure out essentially I need to test 1 or 2. If 2 is true, I'm done because there's only one answer that has 2, etc. So the graph has a point, so both of these are now about f primes. About f double primes. These are both about f double prime, right? Well, f double prime is the slope of f prime, meaning it's the slope of this given graph. So here, right, here where this slope is positive, on this window, f double prime is positive, and on this window, f double prime is negative. So 2 is definitely false because there's not a point of inflection here, right? So this, f double prime is positive, and then f double prime is still positive. It's not a point of inflection. Right? That's not a point of inflection. So 2 is definitely false. So it's not D. Now the question is it 1 only or is 3 true? Well, 3 says f is concave down from 0 to 4, and sure enough, you can see that that's true, right? So f is concave down from 0 to 4, so that one's true, which means it's answer E.